Just a quick review of the veneers I'm shipping out. Here's a piece of pommel sapele. Beautiful, beautiful figure with that. I made a project recently. You can see that on my YouTube channel, Volpe Woodworks. It's a project oversized coaster. This is the central visual interest in that. Here's a piece of ribbon stripe mahogany. Kind of looks dull and lifeless at the moment, but you hit it with a little bit of oil finish to it. Boy, that really just pops out the figure with that wood. Same thing with there's a maple burl, same type of thing. It looks kind of dull and lifeless, but the figure just comes to life when you hit that with an oil finish. Here's a piece of bird's eye maple. Beautiful underlying quilt pattern with that. Evenly spaced eyes. Followed by a piece of zebrano or zebra wood. I like working with zebra wood. It's a very distinctive wood. It's a little bit harder to work with just simply because it's it's a very dense tropical hardwood. Kind of about the stiffness as oak, like a white oak. You have to really saw it to get a nice clean line. And then here's a piece of fumed timaway. This has been exposed to a gaseous form of ammonia, and the tannins in the wood actually turn it from a copper brown color to this dark chocolate brown color. You can find all these veneers and more in my eBay store, ThinWoodandOldTools, on Amazon as seller Volpe Woodworks, my website, VolpeWoodworks.com, and as seller Volpe Woodworks on Amazon. If you like the content of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you.